Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about code, what it is and why it's so important. Code is the foundation of all software and applications, and it's what makes our computers, phones, and other devices work. So let's dive in and learn more about it. To put it simply, code is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. These instructions are written in a programming language that the computer can understand and execute. Think of it like a recipe, just as a recipe tells you what ingredients to use and how to prepare them to make a delicious meal. Code tells a computer what actions to perform to accomplish a specific task. Now, there are many different programming languages out there, and each one has its own syntax and rules. Some popular programming languages include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Each of these languages has its own strengths and weaknesses, and developers choose the language that best fits their needs and the needs of their project. Here are some examples in a few popular programming languages. Python. This is the classic Hello World program, which simply prints out the text Hello World to the console. JavaScript. This program will display an alert dialog box with the text Hello World when the code is run in a web browser. Java. This is a Hello World program in Java. It defines a class called Hello World and a main method that will output the text Hello World to the console. C++. This is a Hello World program in C++. It includes the IOStream library and uses the count function to output the text Hello World to the console. Ruby. This is a Hello World program in Ruby. It will output the text Hello World to the console using the puts function. PHP. This is a Hello World program in PHP. It will output the text Hello World to the browser when the code is run on a web server. These are just a few examples of simple programs that beginners can start with in different programming languages. By starting with these basic programs, beginners can learn the syntax and structure of the language and gradually move on to more complex programs as they gain more experience. So, why is code so important? Well, without it, we wouldn't have any of the software and applications that we rely on every day. From social media platforms to video games to banking apps, everything is built on code. And with the rise of technology, the demand for skilled programmers who can write and maintain code is only growing. So that's a brief overview of what code is and why it's important. Whether you are a developer yourself or just a user of technology, understanding the basics of code can help you appreciate the work that goes into creating the software and applications we use every day. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.